Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about putting vinyl on any surface, but in this case it's a cornhole board. One of the keys is making sure that your surface is clean and smooth. This is fresh paint. I just dusted it off, so I know that it's in good shape. I've already measured, made sure that I was centered. I have it exactly where I want it. I wrote those measurements down because I got to duplicate this on another board and I don't want anything to be off. So I'm going to start off, I'm going to lay this back, it's taped down. I'm going to carefully pull this backing off so that, carefully. Okay, there it is. Had to find the corner. Okay, now that I found the corner, I'm just going to lay this back gently because I don't want my tape to come off. Okay, now I'm just going to carefully crease that because what I want to do is lay this down and now it's going to stick. Okay, I've got it nice and flat. Okay, I'm going to press out, I'm going to push towards the area that I'm going to work. So I'm going to start on this end, I'm going to move down as I go. First time across is just going to be to get it to stay in place. Okay, I'm going to carefully hold up this end and then lay it down as I go, working my way across. Working from the center out is also another good strategy. That way, if there's any air trapped under there, it gets pushed out. And at the very least, I can see it before I get too far and then need to peel up the whole thing or pop holes in it. I don't want to put any pinholes in this if I don't need to. So there. Now it's secure, but I'm going to go over it quite a bit with this. It's got a protective covering on, so I'm not worried about scuffing the surface of the vinyl. And I'm just going to press it down and just keep working it. Always working towards the same direction. See there? I can hear a bubble. But it was a tiny one, and I was able to press through it and worked it out. So I'm just going to keep doing this. And after I'm satisfied, then I'll remove this protective film. Not sure what that's called. Anybody know what that's called? If you do, let me know. Drop some knowledge on me. That's pretty cool. It's going to my wife's cousin, lives in Canada. Big baseball fan, but especially the Blue Jays. So I get to deliver these to them in a few weeks when we go to visit. All right, I think that's pretty good. It looks like a bubble there. I'm not sure if it was in the film or the vinyl. So I think since I just saw that, I'm going to go around the edges here because I want this to be secure. Now I'm going to be putting polyacrylic over this to help protect it, but then to also help seal it down to the board so that moisture, nothing can get in around the edges. So let's see how I did. I'm going to carefully do this in case it starts to pull up. If I didn't get it secure enough, then I can stop and press it down again. One of the things you need to be aware of is this is vinyl. It will stretch and it may not go back into its original shape. So if it does start to pull up, stop pulling immediately because you don't want that to get out of shape. Your decal or entire wrap, if you're doing a full board, could be ruined. Not the end of the world, they make them every day, but that's money lost, right? Even if you're doing this for yourself, you don't want to spend more than is necessary. There you have it. So there is one board done. Just repeat this process. I see one bubble. I'm going to get a paper towel, try to press that down. If I can't, I'll just pop it, but it's a tiny one. It's looks pretty good. Hope this was a help.